Hello everybody, this is Monster Tech here, back with another video, and today's video is going to be the USB-C charge cable. So this is the 2-meter version. It's compatible with all USB-C devices, even if it's not an Apple device. So that is the information compatibility. So let's get into it now. Let's open it up now. So just trying to open this up now. So here we go. The cable now is in the packaging, obviously. So let's pull it out, and there it is. So they're the same connectors, so it's reversible, and you can plug it in either side to either end of the what you're trying to charge. So like you can plug one end into your laptop and the other end into your power bank, or vice versa. So getting this wrapper off, you can see it's pretty high quality. It probably won't get damaged like the lightning connectors, because it seems like it's thicker and it won't really do anything. So now here is a 87 watt Apple power adapter. So we just plug it in, and then you plug the wall adapter into the wall, and then you start charging. So that is the power adapter. So then paperwork, warranty information basically, and then here's a 1-year limited warranty summary. So there's that. Basically, if there's something wrong with it, turn it in, they'll give you a new one. So this is the USB-C cable unboxing. This is a Monster Tech video. Please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing, and I will see you in the next one.